Hi, this is Sandra. I want to introduce you to my peach pie vanilla ice cream. This is an ice cream that you make at home. You don't buy this in the store. In this presentation, I'm showing you how to do this ice cream, but I'm going to tell you word for word and not showing you how to do it. I'm going to let you do this on your own. What to do is get your favorite vanilla ice cream, scoop 4 or 5 scoops in a bowl or a container, and add your favorite peach pie that's already baked. Or you can make your peach cobbler and have leftover. But make sure it's cold and overnight and day old. And what you do is put that on top of the ice cream and let it kind of melt a little bit. And then you get some more 4 or 5 scoops of more ice cream and put on top of that. And then you put it in a container and you freeze it overnight. And maybe lunchtime or dinner time, you'll come out with this right here, y'all. Look at those peaches in there. And look at that crust. Ooh, I know you will love this ice cream. It is my peach pie vanilla ice cream. Let me say it again. Peach pie vanilla ice cream. Ooh, look at those peaches and that crust that's mixed up with that ice cream. This is a cold, good treat for the summer, and I know y'all will enjoy this. Look at that. Ooh, I just want to show y'all how the country folks live down here in Mississippi. Look at that. Who would not enjoy this cold dessert peach pie vanilla ice cream? This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and looking at all these little